goodness. 3 apples, 2 handfuls of kale, 5 carrots, 3 scoops of
Stalks
of
celery.
celery.
All right, you excited to start?
Yes. Okay, so we have to leave the celery and this for later, okay? We just only have to jump this all the apple. We got some juice coming.
Oh, that's a lot. Look at that. Oh, yummy.
Oh.
Why don't you put some carrots in between them too?
We
Kind of
got
alternate. Alternate between the two.
Okay, we got some juicing going. Okay. Okay, put some more carrots in there. And now we put some more apples in. Okay, now, Camera. So, we're just, now we have to put some more in here. Look at all that.
And there you go. The dark green goodness is coming through. Okay, keep it going, Carmen. Keep it going.
Okay. Celery can be really stringy, so we have to kind of be careful. Do not make it clogged up. So we have to be really, really careful about this. Okay?
Oh, there you go. You see a little bit of the lighter green juice coming out from the celery. Everything's mixing in there. Look at that. Wow, that's kind of neat.
Okay. So I'm going to put a little water. My mom says not that much. If I do, I'm getting in trouble. Okay? So a little bit of water until my mom says go.
Yeah, keep going. A little bit of water. Okay, that should be enough.
Okay?
We add a little bit of water to get all the rest of the good greenness out of there. The green goodness. And it's okay to dilute it a little bit. Carmen loves it so much she eats all the pulp. She loves it.
Okay.
Okay. Next we're going to pour it into our glass and have a taste.
Yep. Okay.
Wow, look at that color.
Yep. I know. I see it.
We're going to take that and strain it through the wire strainer to get all that foaminess off the top, which is usually bitter. And then we'll pour it into our glass.
We'll see how it tastes like.
Okay, in the final moments, we're left with the lovely strained, all green goodness in that one hopper. And I'm going to go ahead and pour it in my favorite cup that I like to drink my juice from. You're holding it, Carmen? Thank you, so I don't spill it.
Mm-hmm.
Look how
Don't
dark green.
mist it!
I won't. Look how good and green that looks. Smells fantastic. I'm going to save a little bit for my wonderful daughter in her cup here.
Oh,
There you go, with a little straw. Because she loves it too.
no, I might love it.
She might love it.
Oh, I could love it.
Okay, the proof. Look, she's drinking it. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. A 6-year-old child loving their green goodness, the green juice. Now I have to stop the camera because I can't wait to drink mine.
I feel healthy with my strong muscles.
Why do you feel healthy?
Because I drink healthy juice and I'm really healthy with water.
Star in the making.